Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures. Here you can see that the S&P 500 futures started to move upward since Thursday after the data showed that the economy lost fewer jobs in April than the feared one due to coronavirus crisis, adding to optimism from an easing in friction between the Washington and Beijing, but I find that the US-China trade relations look set to continue to simmer as Trump's administration is weighing punitive action against the Beijing over its early handling of coronavirus outbreak, including possible tariffs and shifting supply chain away from China. Here you can see since Thursday, the S&P 500 futures were able to break this immediate resistance at 2895 and finally closed at 2928, which is still a very crucial level. Here I find that a gap down opening in S&P 500 futures below the levels of 2895 will result in sharp downward move in S&P 500 futures where selling pressure may grow in S&P 500 futures where the S&P 500 futures may find their immediate support at the levels of 2881 from where we can expect a bounce back once again where we may find the S&P 500 futures to find immediate resistance at the levels of 2929 once again. But in case if the S&P 500 futures sustain above this critical level and make an upward move above the levels of 2963, here I find that there is a thick presence of bears between the levels of 2956 to 2973, where I find that the S&P 500 futures may witness some heavy sell-off from these levels. So during the upcoming week, we'll see the S&P 500 futures may remain very volatile because on Saturday, the US President Mr. Donald Trump said that the United States will purchase $3 billion worth of dairy and meat products from farmers as unemployment source and people are forced to go for food lines. So therefore I find that this growing worries about the currently prevailing economic weakness due to growing fear of coronavirus, we will see the S&P 500 futures may see some upward move due to the statement issued by the US President on Saturday for purchasing of $3 billion worth of dairy products. We'll see the S&P 500 futures may find some stiff resistance at the levels of 2971 at the upper end. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week we will see the S&P 500 futures to remain very volatile due to growing worries on the US-China trade relations. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week we will see the S&P 500 futures to remain very volatile amid this trading range which starts from 2674 on the lower side and on the upper side I find the upper side is very limited because here I find that any upward move above the levels of 2973 will result in heavy sell-off in S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week, whereas on the downside below the levels of 2912 the S&P 500 futures will have to defend the levels of 2828 where I find that a sustainable move below the levels of 2821 will result in continuation of bearish pressure in S&P 500 futures where we may see the S&P 500 futures to test the levels of 2742 during the upcoming week. So friend, let us see the movements of S&P 500 futures in an hourly time frame. So here you can see that the S&P 500 futures have been maintaining an uptrend in an hourly time frame from the levels of 2823 what they touched on May 6, 2020. Here you can see that in an hourly time frame the S&P 500 futures still look very active Here you can see that above the levels of 2912, the S&P 500 futures have been constantly maintaining this level to make an upward move. Here I find that a gap up opening above the levels of 2938 may result in an upward move up to the levels of 2973, where we will find a stiff resistance at the levels of 2956, which is the immediate resistance in the hourly time frame, and second tough resistance will be at the levels of 2973, where we may see the S&P 500 futures to witness heavy sell-off from these levels, where I find that heavy sell-off may push the S&P 500 futures up to the levels of 2880 during the first two trading sessions, from where the S&P 500 futures may try to sustain, but I find that a sustainable move below the levels of 2858 will result in continuation of a bearish trend in the S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the levels of 2776 will play an important role during the upcoming week, where a downward move will provide a good opportunity to go long in S&P 500 futures for an immediate target up to the levels of 2973, because the volatility going to be the major part of the move of S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.